Learning to code is hard and can take a lot of time and effort. Today I will share with you 5 tips that will make your coding journey a lot faster. The first tip: you need to choose a niche and focus on that niche. Some people are trying to learn everything at the same time, but eventually they feel like they didn't learn anything. So choose a language and get good at it before you try learning anything else. The second tip: avoid tutorial hell. It's very tempting to just watch tutorials after tutorials without ever applying what you've learned. But this way, you will forget everything after a few minutes and feel like you're wasting your time. So instead of watching a lot of tutorials, try to just learn the bare minimum and get a basic understanding before you start coding. And even if you don't understand something, just Google it or watch a tutorial about this specific thing. The third tip: try to create as much projects as you can. Think of a project that you will enjoy to create and just build it. But make sure it's not too easy or too difficult. It should be challenging, but not too much. Each time you can increase the difficulty by a little. And after a few weeks, you could look back and see how much you have learned. The fourth tip: make the project your own and try not to make your project from tutorials. When you blindly follow a tutorial, you aren't actually learning. You are just copying someone else's code. When you build it yourself, you will understand it better and it will speed up your learning pace. Of course, if you don't know how to do something or you are facing an annoying bug, you can watch a tutorial or Google it, but try to mostly build it yourself. Now, the fifth and the last tip: you need to have a clear plan. One of the mistakes I've made as a self-taught programmer is not having a clear path. When I learned to code, I didn't really have a plan. I've learned HTML and CSS without even knowing what is JavaScript. Then I've learned JavaScript without knowing what is React or Node.js. So I encourage you to research and have a plan for your coding journey before you start learning. So that was the 5 tips. If you are still not sure what language you want to learn, watch this video that will help you understand which language is best for you. And you can also watch the roadmap video for web development. If you want to watch more content like this, then consider subscribing. See you in the next video.